In today's simple and short tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can create unlimited Twitter accounts without providing your original phone number or email address. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So as you can see right now that I am on the sign up page of Twitter. So click on this create account option, select your language and click on next. Now enter your full name. Once you have entered your full name, jump to the second option, and as you can see that it's asking for phone number, but what you have to do is to click on this option that says use email instead. Now in order to get a fake email address, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type tempmail, tempmail. Click on search, go to this first link. Now your temporary email address is being created, so be patient. Once the email address is created, click on this copy option and go back to Twitter and paste that new email address here. Now enter your date of birth and click on next. Again click on next. Click on the sign up option. Now a verification code is sent to your new email address. So in order to get that verification code, go back to your internet browser, scroll down, and here in this inbox section you will see that you have received the code. So all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on Twitter. Click on next. Now create a strong password for your Twitter account. Click on next. And that's it. Your Twitter account is now created without providing your original phone number or email address. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.